Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Thai Beanie Boo's Butter the Cow. Now, let's jump into the details. On every Beanie Boo, like this one, has a certain color of eye. Butter has blue eyes, which is pretty cool. This Beanie Boo cow looks exactly like a real cow, but I think it's supposed to resemble a calf than a cow. So, the cow features are black and white, pink on the inside of the ears, and these little horns. And cows make milk, which can be used to make ice cream, butter, cheese, and all sorts of yummy things. Time for the rating. I rate this Beanie Boo cow a 10 out of 10. I recommend you getting him if you like dairy stuff and cows and Beanie Boos too. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button below and subscribe. Press the raccoon button on the corner of your screen. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Beanie Boos. See you later. Woo!